The WOLFBOX G840S 12-IPS dash camera is a cutting-edge in-car surveillance system designed to provide high-quality video recording and advanced features. Features a large 12-inch IPS display that provides a clear and vivid view of recorded footage and real-time monitoring, capable of recording video in stunning 4K resolution, ensuring crisp and detailed footage for a comprehensive view of your driving environment. Equipped with dual cameras, including a front-facing and rear-facing camera, offering simultaneous recording for a complete coverage of both the road ahead and behind your vehicle. Integrated GPS module for accurate positioning and speed data, allowing you to track your route and monitor driving speed. Enhanced night vision capabilities for clear and detailed recording in low light conditions, ensuring visibility during nighttime driving. Features a parking monitor function that activates the camera to record footage when the vehicle is parked, providing added security and surveillance. The Rearview camera captures high-definition footage to assist with parking and reversing maneuvers. Utilizes loop recording to override older footage with new recordings when the storage is full, ensuring continuous and uninterrupted recording. Built-in G sensor detects sudden movements or collisions, automatically locking and protecting the current video file from being overwritten. Intuitive user interface for easy navigation and configuration of settings. Wide-angle lenses on both cameras provide an extensive field of view, capturing more details of the surroundings. Upgraded stunning 4K UHD dash camera. The full rear display is 1.5 times larger than an ordinary rear view mirror, which has significantly reduced rear view blind spots.